Yo, what's going on, EDM YouTube? My name is Manny, aka Frisky Hug, and today we're at Busch Gardens, Florida, over here in Tampa. I was visiting my friend and two of our friends, which you're gonna see in the video, Josh and Anna, were like, do you wanna come to Busch Gardens? So I told Jake, you down? Fuck yeah, we down. So, oh, there's Jake.
Yeah, we down.
So, we decided to do, I wasn't gonna vlog, but Jake decided to bring the GoPro. We're like, you know what, let's just vlog the event. So this is more of a life vlog type deal. I don't think I've actually done one like this before, so enjoy.
So I'm with my best friend, the Smishky Smug, and tell everybody about what we're kind of getting into today.
Well, I didn't realize that I was on the guest list for Jake's apartment complex, which is pretty fucking cool.
Dude, it's so awesome.
And then we're also guest listed for Busch Gardens. Thank you, Anna.
Oh, Anna, we love Anna. Oh, shout out to Josh as well, because he's pretty cool.
I couldn't find that parking location because location services is turned off.
His location service is turned off. He's kind of lost. Apparently this fucker needs gas. Look at him. This is such a fucker, man. Just always needs gas and beer. If anything, just load him up with gas and beer, and then he's gonna be okay. And that's how we deal with Manny.
Papi, I got you some energy drinks.
Oh, he got me energy. Okay. This is gonna be so nice because when we ride roller coasters, I'm gonna have so much energy.
And not be dehydrated. Wait, we are gonna be dehydrated.
Wait, tell him why we should hydrate.
I forget. Is there a question?
Yeah, he doesn't know how to hydrate. We forgot.
The beer hits like not as hard.
We made it to Busch Gardens with everybody. Hey, say hi, everybody.
Hey, no! Hi, gorgeous!
Hi. Check this thing out.
No, like I'm looking for each group. Yeah.
Getting real festive this year. Beer.
Dude, he has a power of manifestation. We realized this when he manifested my wallet at Imagine.
Holy shit,
you go,
I just manifested this beer. You want to see Frisky Hug's spirit animal?
I can see that. Beep, 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 beep.
His spirit animal is a sloth. It kind of fits.
Yeah, because I'm lazy.
But he also found mine. Look.
His is a llama. Bah.
Over in Cloud 9 here. He's on his phone.
Alright, so Jake's normally recording, but I'm gonna record now because he's gonna do this thing right there. And he's gonna do it with Anna Banana. Because Josh didn't want to do it because he's scared.
I already lost.
Ah, fucking goober.
The last time I won this, but I flipped over and I didn't touch the lava and I won and they wouldn't give me a prize.
Sad stories.
Yeah, and that's why I'm upset.
Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.
You got this, Bobby. You gotta stretch your arms a little more. You're not very limber for someone who's had a couple drinks.
Submissive on that thing.
You just kinda, you surrender. We should get an elephant after this, right? What do you guys think?
We should
Listen, I'm not one to say things, right? Because I don't want to feel entitled, but we deserve an elephant.
You're so humble, man.
I'm the humblest.
You're so humble.
Ó, pelo nosso esforço, ganhamos dois pras doguinhas, Cookie and Angel.
Oh, they must not know that Manny charges.
Yeah, they don't know.
You think this footage is free?
You think I'm recording it for free? I'm recording for free.
Good boy.
You're gonna get a spanking.
I'm gonna get spanked.
Come on, Jake. Show us a little lovin'.
I can't see.
Open your eyes, bro. You guys are having fun?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm having so much fun. This is fireworks. Jesus.